Now we will install one operating system called Kali Linux. See, there are some few operating systems I have installed in my environment, in my virtual environment. Now I need to install another Kali Linux operating system. This is the latest Kali Linux operating system, 2024.2, which is running presently. How to download Kali Linux? Already I have shown you. Once again, I will show you. Download Kali Linux. That's it. Get Kali. Come down. Simple. Already I have shown you the simple. There are so many images are there here. It's a fully image for air gap networks. It's a complete offline installation. Different. Everything means nothing, but it will be a huge. See, it is a 11 GB. Okay, 11 GB package. We don't require this much. Okay, just come. There is a purple environment. You can download anything, but we are installing VirtualBox. For VirtualBox user-friendly operating system, we need to download. So I recommend go to this one, VirtualBox recommended. This is the recommended one for VirtualBox. You are using VMware, recommended for VMware. This is a Hyper-V. So we are not using this one. So you can mostly you will use Hyper-V or VMware or VirtualBox. So if you want, you need to download this VirtualBox environment user friendly. Just click this small button. It's a free operating system. It will be downloaded. I already downloaded. I think it is there here. Okay, just before I have downloaded yesterday. Yesterday I want to show you some practicals. So this one you need to download. Once download, I will show you from here onwards how it will be. See, this is the download pack, Kali Linux 2024.2, VirtualBox AMD 64.7Z. This is the file you are able to get it. Okay, this is the file. Just right click here on this file, right click, extract here, or wherever you want to store the extraction, you can store it. Extract the file. After extracting, you're able to see like this, Kali Linux 2024. Why I have already extracted means it will take some time. It's a 3 GB file. It will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes to extract all the things. Sometimes 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, like that. So it's a simple process. Okay, just right click, extract. Okay, then if you click, see, two files are available. So here .vdi virtual disk image, and there is another file called VirtualBox VBox, like that extension. This is a 3 KB and this is some 1,40,000 KBs it will show you. So almost this file is very important, as well as this is also very important. Both required. So when you extract it, these two files will be, you are able to see. That's it. So then just go to the virtual environment. How to create a new operating system in the virtual environment. I will show you settings, all these things on this new environment. Just click new, this new, and come here, give any name. Kali, I will give Kalki. Kalki, Kali name Kalki, anything. Kali name is taken from India only. So Kalki Linux I will give. And automatically, if it is not selected Linux, you need to select as a Linux. And come here, down, Kali Linux belongs to Debian flavor. In the Linux environment, there are different types of distributions are available. Kali Linux belongs to the Debian family. So different types of families are there. In that, we need to select Kali Linux belongs to Debian family. Remember it. Just click Debian 64 because my operating system is 64-bit. Whatever the Kali Linux I have downloaded, it's also 64-bit. Okay. Then click next. How 64-bit you might get out. As shown here, the above there is 64-bit and 32-bit. Select if you select 32-bit, 32-bit will come. You select 64-bit, 64-bit come. We come to our part. So here, whatever the RAM size you want to give, just give. For you, it is 4 GB you need to give. Okay, 4 GB at least you need to give. I am giving very less for practical purpose. Next, and create virtual hard disk now. Yes, create VDI box. Yes, dynamically allocated. Yes, how much the hard disk you want to provide. If you have 1 TB, 2 TB, 3 TB in your hard disk, so at least give 100 to 200 GB. Okay. Whenever you are using that operating system, that time only it will be, see, Kalki Linux, not Kali Linux, Kalki Linux. I make that Kalki Linux. That my wish. You can create any name. So I have created. I have created the environment. I need to install the operating system into this environment. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to settings. Simple thing. Most of the students will get confused in this area. Storage, Kalki Linux, whatever we have created. Click on it. Come here, small on CD image is there, right? Just click it, hard disk or something. Choose a disk file. Choose a disk file. See, once you choose a disk file, it will show Kalki Linux, some whatever we have created. We don't require this. We require operating system. Where you have stored that operating system, I have stored in some folder, that is practice folder. So in that, this is the Kali Linux. When you are selecting, it will not show the zip file, these all things. It will show only the VirtualBox related image only. Okay, you click it. See, this VirtualBox image only it is showing, not other than that. Whatever the VDI format it is, just click it, open it. Okay, that's it. And start. So most of the times you are able to see the errors because sometimes your operating system will not be able to compatibility with that Kali Linux components or that operating system components or that VirtualBox environment components. That time you are able to see some of the errors. Okay, that is casual and normal thing. Okay, in the ethical hacking and the cybersecurity analysts, the hackers, whatever they will do, they will work with the errors mostly. How much they are working with the errors, they will get that much proficient. See, most of the times I face so many errors in that class as well as in my practical life also when installing the new things due to the compatibility issue. This is not a licensed one where we are paying money to create compatibility for all the things. So open source operating systems and it is available with good amount of tools. So we need to install it. So that reason whatever the issues we are able to get, we need to study, do the R&D, and we need to troubleshoot it. Every issue have the resolution. Okay. So this is our Kali Linux VirtualBox environment. Username is Kali. Password is Kali. Login. Click the login or hit enter. Anything. Maximizing the screen. Done. Welcome to the Kali Linux. See, this is the most powerful toolbox and operating system for the hackers. The same operating system we are also going to use.